Now we are gonna get ready again. Well, you're just gonna touch up the makeup, like add on the concealer to cancel away all the tiredness. It's approaching winter right now, so or is it already winter? So it's a bit cold here, like 9 to 12 degrees. And I'm so excited. So the tips is just add on some concealer.
One eternity later.
We're gonna do, this is my favorite lip tint. There's some concealer here. Hold on. Some dry patches. Alright. Hair is just gonna be ponytail. And we are ready to go. Let's go. The shoes. The only one, sad socks. Okay. Turns out I found another socks. The other pair, which is hiding, so we are all good. Outfit check, romper, and some shoes, and we are ready to go. Guess who's early? It's me. Now we're just waiting for the crew with the view. One person is down. She's so ready. I don't understand at all. What's your name and where are you from?
Je m'appelle Marco. I am from South Africa. And this is my third time here in France.
Oh, really?
It's my first.
Like Nice?
In Nice. I mean, in Nice, yeah. It's my third time in Nice. I think it's one of the most beautiful cities in the world.
She's so beautiful, isn't it?
I'm
gonna put some stars here. Ding 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 ding.
Do I look very French? Hold on.
Yeah, very. Woo! Beautiful. I mean, like every time I come here, I feel like an exciting kid. We're just gonna sit here and enjoy the beauty because it's
come careful. You don't know when.
So what shall we do now?
Okay, we need food, and I don't know. We need to go get some French culture
And maybe some shoes.
Yes, and a croissant. And
Everything, huh?
Yes.
And onion soup.
Everything.
And some nice drinks. And some nice sunset. Okay, let's go.
Okay, vamos.
Here.
Do you see that?
It's like shooting a music video.
Yeah. We're in French. Go. I don't know.
So we're just walking. And oh, there's airplane landing. Where is it? Wait, it's a back out front. Ah, there you go. This is the way I vlog. I was like, whatever. But like people are so chill here, and they're just literally just chilling. And I think it's around 16 degrees.
Yeah, it's not
16 degrees. Yeah?
It's not that hot or cold.
Yeah, and people are like fishing. I mean,
what day is it today?
I don't know. Crew life. We don't know what day is it. But you know, I have like really weird thoughts. Like, are the fish cold? And then like, you know, maybe they come to the shore and like people fish them.
Yeah,
But
it's sad.
but they're also sleeping by the pebbles and some elderly there. Super nice. Like I was telling Margot, I think I could live here.
Yeah.
And that happens when I go to Korea. I think
I
I could live here.
Yes.
But I could not live in the place without sun.
Yeah, for sure. Me too.
No sun, no happiness.
No.
Okay, I'm starting to get very hungry right now. Hot subway girl, you know this trend like.
Oh yeah, I never did it though. I don't know how they do it.
Oh, we're going underground now. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere we go. So we made it to the old town. Just have to feel confident because there's a lot of people. It's like Exhibit A, the guy in the car. There you go.
Maybe it's like one of these movies and
Oh,
they're kind of like
it's
spying or
true.
someone.
But it looks like a movie set, no?
Je comprends pas.
Vlog, say hello.
Oh,
Bonjour.
Oh, bonjour.
What's your name? Je m'appelle.
Je
name?
m'appelle Mimi.
Yes.
Mon nom de prénom c'est Émile,
Je m'appelle Lily.
Lily,
What about you?
Lily et moi Mimi.
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 Oh, nice to
Oh,
meet you.
je m'appelle, je vais vous expliquer. Je m'appelle Émile, mais tout le monde m'appelle Mimi.
Mimi.
Ouais.
Nice to meet
Alors,
you.
je vais vous dire, je suis né en Corse,
What's that?
Corsica,
Corsica?
petite île, Corsica,
Like to eat?
petite île de la Méditerranée, la Corse.
We just got here. Really beautiful place. With beautiful market.
Here, and we just met a wonderful gentleman.
Insert like
Yeah. Like I said, his name is Mimi, so he speaks very, very much French, very little English, but that's okay. We communicated. We
Thumbs
got
up.
it.
Thumbs up to Margot for understanding French.
I tried.
For me, I'm just like, nope.
Oh, but French is such a beautiful language, so I would love to be like fluent in it and so on. So yeah.
Let's see. The place is beautiful.
We've got mojitos if you want. We'll have to
Okay, so we are decided on the beef. I mean the barbecue. And maybe like burger. Oh, we can try the tartar. Looks nice. And we got french fries as well. For this, my son, I think it's french fries. Yeah. For the three.
I would like to ask you a very important question. You are French, yes?
Yeah,
How big are the burgers?
massive.
Are they
Yeah, they are big.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay, so
like
you get American style, which I'm not.
Oh,
by the
if
way.
it's not like that.
something like that.
Really?
I in the height, yeah.
We miss bacon. We live in Dubai and we don't eat bacon.
So in this case, I will recommend the barbecue burger, the one with bacon. So we go for that for you? Allez, let's go for it.
Two, please.
Two of them. How you want it cooked?
Medium?
Medium for you and
Well done.
And well done.
Well done, excellent, and congratulations.
Congratulations. Okay, wait, you cheers and then I'll cheers. I'm gonna hit your pineapple.
No!
Cheers. Welcome to Nice.
Oh, that's so cute. Tell me your name and where you from.
This This is my vlog. Go away.
So repeat. You're the star of the day now.
I'm from Bulgaria.
Bulgaria.
I have like Turkish roots. So my name is
Roots?
actually Turkish.
So the leaf is from where?
Sorry?
The leaf? The root is Turkish. The leaf is from where?
The leaf is from somewhere.
Yeah. What about the flower?
the flower is from Burgas. It's my home city.
In Bulgaria.
Yeah.
Been to Sofia.
Oh really? I lived there the last year. Yeah. And the water as well.
Non, on peut rester au-delà parce que ma soeur voudrait rester jusqu'à 21h.
Alors, écoutez, il n'y a pas de souci.
Il n'y a pas de souci.
Elle peut rester, mais elle aura une nouvelle.
Caught in 4K. It's a zoom caught in 4K.
Et moi, je regarde.
Spot.
Right. I need to unbox it.
Unboxing time. In front of the shop. Come on.
See what I'm doing for your baby, huh? You should be very thankful.
Oh wait. Why is it like that?
Because it just slipped.
Okay. Nice. Watch out for the pole. Why?
A green one or an orange one or a pink one?
I want pink.
You got blue.
Maybe it's a different machine. Maybe we should have played this machine. We are ending the day. We're gonna see you
I
tomorrow.
look like Inspector Gadget.
A little bit, and I look like, I don't know, like a panda.
You look good. You look good.
And I'm tired. That was a nice dinner. And ooh, wait, which way? Oh, Margot, Inspector. Ooh, but the skyline is really nice. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go across and take some photos later. It's 7 a.m. right now. Let me fix this a little bit. And I'm getting ready to see Margot for sunrise, but I'm gonna try to catch a little breakfast, some omelet, and then I'm ready to go. So I just put on my eyebrows, lipstick, and sunscreen. That's it. So we are ready to go. So we are almost late, but we managed to catch the sunrise. Look at this. We made it! With the water and coffee.
Can you just tell me one thing? How
Tell
do
me.
you eliminate
Yep. Look at Margot all ready with blankets and
as well?
and we're ready for sunrise.
So ready.
Yeah.
And of course,
We're literally the only person here. Like the only people, sorry, My grammar is not grammaring, but look at how beautiful. So Margot got all the tripod, and this is my tripod. I'm gonna put my phone here. But it's so amazing. Like, it's really nice. It makes me think of life though. Like, wow. Now we're gonna go to the rock and we're gonna set up our blankets there. So we're gonna make a little walk here. But I love that there are pebbles, to be honest. It doesn't get sandy. Not my so nice shoes and the sunrise. Setting up the camera, our stuffs, and the sea.
Stop! Wait, sorry, I accidentally pressed. Okay. I feel like a little kid. You're so happy.
Welcome to Nice.
Gorgeous.